Morning students. Today we continue the that exercise means 6.2. We were studying about factorization by using identities. So in that first two identities we have used to factorize in our previous class, and today next identity means a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, or a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. That identity we are going to use to factorize the given expression. So how to factorize this? Let us see. We will solve some examples. You can watch it. Here first question, 4x square minus 9y square. By seeing the question you can understand that it is in the form of a square minus b square. So if it is a square minus b square, we have to write a plus b into a minus b. So in order to write what is a plus b and a minus b, we should know what is a and what is b. So first we want to find out what is a and what is b. What is a square and what is b square, that is given and that we know. So from that we can find out what is a and what is b. So first here the identity to be used is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This is identity, and I told that here a square means 4x square. So here we write a square is equal to 4x square. Therefore a is equal to root of 4x square, that is equal to 2x. 2x into 2x is equal to 4x square. So a means 2x, and b square means it is 9y square. Therefore b is equal to root of 9y square, that is equal to 3y. So a and b we already got. This is a and this is b. So we can write here a square means a is equal to 2x. So 2x r square minus b means that is 3y r square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, means 2x. A means 2x and b means 3y. Then a plus b, now a minus b means 2x minus 3y. So in this way students we factorize this expression. So 4x square minus 9y square we factorized and we got 2x plus 3y and 2x minus 3y. That means a plus b and a minus b. So students, in this the main point is that we have to find out what is a and what is b. We know a square and we know b square. Therefore we can find out a and b, and after finding out a and b we expand according to the identity a plus b and a minus b. So students, let us see another example, example b. Here 27x square minus 75y square. Look at this question students. Here a square, this is not a square number, and 75 is also not a square number. You know that 27 is not the square of any number. And square number means, you know that you studied squares and cube. 5s are 25, 6 are 36, 7s are 49. These are square numbers, but 27 is not the square of any other numbers, and 75 is also not the square of any other number. So but in order to use the property a square minus b square, we need square numbers. Then how to make, if they are not square numbers, how to make them square numbers, that we have to see first. So that we have to factorize. We see that if there is any common factor in both these terms, you know that 27 and 75, they can be divided by 3 because 3 is a factor of in the table 27 coming and 75 also coming. So 3 is a factor of both these numbers. So that common factor we take out 3 from 27. Then what is remaining? 9x square remaining, and minus from here 3 taken out. Then what is remaining? 3 25s are 75. Now students, you can see that inside this bracket 9 square minus 25 y square, these both are square numbers. 9 is a square number and 25 is also a square number. So inside this bracket what is given, that we can factorize using a square minus b square, and this common factor we take it out. So here a square, we use a square means it is 9x square. Therefore a is equal to root of 9x square, that is equal to 3x. And b square is equal to 25y square. Therefore b is equal to root of 25y square, that is equal to 5y. So here a is equal to 3x and b is equal to 5y. So we can write this in the form of a square minus b square, that is equal to 3 is a common factor that we have taken out here. 3 into 9x square minus 25y square. After factorizing a square minus b square, we can write in this format, that means 3x all square minus 5y all square. And here 3 into 3x minus square all square minus 5y square, we can write a plus b into a minus, because a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That is why 3x plus 5y into 3x minus 5y. So now we have factorized this. We first of all we changed these two numbers into square numbers because they are not square numbers. How we change it into square numbers? By taking the common factor from both these numbers outside. Now it is changed to a square number, and then after changing the square numbers, we use the property a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. For finding out a and b, we do these calculations. So I think students, you understood clearly that how to factorize using the property a square minus b square. Some more example we will solve, then you can easily answer. Now question D, 121 p square minus 1 by 9q square, 1 upon 9q square. Here also in the form of a square minus b square. These are square numbers. 121 is the square of 11 and 1 by 9. 9 is the square of 3. So they are square numbers. So here we use the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That's the identity. So a square means it is 121 p square. Therefore a is equal to root of 121 p square, that is equal to 11p. So a is equal to 11p. Then b square is equal to 1 upon 9q square. Therefore b is equal to root of 1 upon 9q square, that is equal to 1 upon 3q. So b and a we found out. Now we expand according to the identities. So 121 p square, here we can write 11p all square minus 1 upon 3q all square, that is equal to a plus b. A is this, a square minus b square. So a is 11p. 11p plus 1 upon 3q, that is equal to a plus b, and a minus b means 11p minus 1 upon 3q. So first we found out what is a and what is b, and then we expanded according to the identity a plus b into a minus b. Next, another question. Here question number G I am solving. All questions, many questions are there in that exercise. So some questions only we are solving, and some other questions are given as homework, and some questions we have left that. So you see that here a square, this is also in the form of a square minus b square, but a means this x plus y is equal to a, and minus b means y plus y minus x, that is equal to b. So a square minus b square. So we want to find out what is a and what is b. So first of all I am going to write the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. And here a is equal to x plus y all square. Therefore a square means x plus y all square. Therefore a is equal to root of x plus y all square, that is equal to x plus y. And b square means it is y minus x all square. Therefore b is equal to y minus x. So here we have found out what is a and what is b. This is a and this is b. So we can use the property a square minus b square. So a means it is x plus y. X plus y all square minus y minus x all square is equal to a plus b. What is a? A means x plus y. A plus b. Here we can write in common bracket a plus b. B means y minus x. And this is only a plus b. A plus b, and next into a minus b means a is x plus y, and minus b. What is b? Y minus x. This is b. A plus b, and into a minus b. So here we can do some changes, because this here this bracket and subtraction means you know that addition with the additive inverse. So next step, x plus y minus x means a plus b into x plus y minus into plus minus y and minus into minus plus x. So here when we multiply this minus, because here is this is a and this is b. B is in bracket and between there minus symbol. So in order to subtract, we have to add with additive inverse. Additive inverse of plus y and minus x plus x. Now we can solve, because x and x here, this is positive x and this is negative. Both will be cancelled. And then what will mean? Y plus y is equal to 2y remaining, and into this bracket means into, and here x and x 2x and positive y and negative y, that will be cancelled. So there what is remaining? 2x remaining. So 2y into 2x, 2 2s are 4, x into y, xy is equal to 4xy. So here students, the answer is 4xy. Here you have to take care, because a means it is a binomial, b also a binomial. So a square means here x plus y all square, and b square means y minus x all square, and a plus b means a means x plus y and b means y minus x, a plus b and a minus b, and here we have to make some adjustment because it is subtraction, and after doing that we cancel the like terms, we solve it, and finally we got 4xy. I think students, you understood that. One more question we will solve in this, and then we move to the next type of factorizations. Okay, we are going to solve question number h, a power 4 minus b power 4. Here also in the form of a square minus b square, therefore a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. And here a is equal to a square means it is a power 4, therefore a is equal to root of a power 4, that is equal to a power 2. And b square means it is b power 4, therefore b is equal to root of b power 4, that's equal to b square. So a and b we got. A means a square and b means b square. So we use here a square. A square means a square. A means a square. Therefore a square means a square all square, minus b means b square. Therefore b square means b square all square. Means a means a square and b means b square, and a square means a square power 2 and b square all square. A square all square and b square all square, that is equal to a plus b. So a means a square plus b means b square, and a minus b means a square minus b square. So students, I think you are not confused, because here identity also same variable and in the question also same variable, so don't be confused. So here we found out what is a square. A square means a power 4, therefore a means a power 2. B square means b power 4, therefore b means b power 2. Therefore a square we write a square all square, and b square means b square all square is equal to a square plus b square and a square minus b square. And students, one more thing is that here you can see that this a square plus b square and here a square minus b square, that is again a property that we can expand. A square minus b square, what is the property? A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So this term again we can factorize using this given identity a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b only. So finally the answer will be like this: a square plus b square and a plus b into a minus b. Why this we got a plus b into a minus b? Because here you can see that second term is already the property only, identity only, a square minus b square, that we expanded a plus b into a minus b. So it's somewhat confusing, easy but somewhat confusing, because the same variables and in identity and the question also, that's why, but it is easy just to understand it slowly. So you can see the videos and pause the video and then think, and then you can understand it very easily. So these are the questions that we are going to solve from this second factorization, the second question. Some questions you have to do as homework, that I will inform you. And now we do third question, factorize the following. So we are going to solve third question, first one, A. Here students, look at the question, x square minus 2xy plus y square minus z square. Here we have to use two identities in order to solve this. One is a minus b all square, and another is a square minus b square, two identity. Here first one number is a trinomial and second number is monomials. Here actually we have to use a square minus b square, but this first trinomial not in the form of a square, it is a trinomial. Therefore we have to use here an identity. We factorize this trinomial using the identity. It is in the format, you know, that a square minus 2ab plus b square, that means a minus b all square. So using that property we factorize this number first, and then the result we factorize by a square minus b square. So this trinomial we take, it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here actually it is, if we take only this trinomial, I am going to take only this trinomial, x square minus 2xy plus y square. This in the form of a square, you can see that a square minus 2ab plus b square. That identity is equal to a minus b all square, a minus b all square. A square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b. So that is the format here. A square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b. So here a means a square means x square. Therefore a means x square minus 2 into x into y minus y square. Y square means y all square. That is equal to a minus b. A is x and b is y, means a minus b all square. So now this trinomial we have factorized. Now we can rewrite it. This question, this is after factorization we got x minus y all square. So we write x minus y all square, then this one minus z square. Now students, you can see this is in the form of a square minus b square. Now here we use the second property. Which one is that? That is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here we can see that I am going to solve here. Here you can see that x minus y all square minus z square. Here a means, a square means x minus y all square. Therefore a means, so I am going to write in this one side, a square means x minus y all square. Therefore a is equal to x minus y. B square means z square. Therefore b is equal to z. So I am going to write here a square minus b square is equal to a plus b. A means x minus y, a plus b, b means z, and here a minus b, a minus b. So this is a plus b. A already we have found out here. A is equal to x minus y. So a plus b into then a means x minus y minus z. So here we cannot, there is no like terms, and so we can, the answer will be x minus y plus z into x minus y minus z. I think students you understood this, because here one trinomial is given and one monomial is given. We have to change this in the form of a square minus b square. So in order to change that, this trinomial we factorize using the identity a square minus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is equal to a minus b all square. And then we expanded, or then we factorized this trinomial using that identity. Then finally we got x minus y all square. Then x minus y all square minus z square, that we factorize using a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, and finally we reached the. Now student, third question, that is B. X square minus y square minus z square plus 2yz. So here also we have to use a square minus b square, but this is not in the form of a square minus b square. We have to make a little arrangement in this. First we have to find out what's the trinomial in this. Which is the trinomial in this? So that we have to identify here. This is x square, means a square. Then remaining this is trinomial, but it is not arranged in an order. Therefore we arrange in an order first. That is equal to x square and minus, means a square minus, and then remaining these are the trinomial. So we write here minus outside. So here actually it is minus y square. So in order to get this minus y square, we multiply minus into plus is equal to minus. So positive y square. This we put in bracket and minus into plus is equal to minus. Then here we want to get minus. Therefore minus into plus is equal to minus. So plus z square. And here we want to get plus. That means minus into minus is equal to plus. So 2yz. Now we have found out this trinomial. And now also this is not an order according to the property a square minus 2ab plus b square. That's identity. So we rewrite it x square minus a square, means here y square means it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now students, we arranged that trinomial in the proper order. X square minus bracket y square minus 2yz plus z square. That is, this trinomial now is in according to the property a square minus 2ab plus b square. And now here this second trinomial, means second trinomial, we have to factorize using the identity a square minus b square. So I am writing this trinomial only y square minus 2yz plus z square. Here students, you know that it is in the form of a square. A means here y square. A square means y square. Therefore a is equal to y all square minus 2 into a means y. So 2 into a into b means z plus z all square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b all square. A minus b means here you know that a is y minus b is z. So a minus b all square. So students, this trinomial we factorized using a square minus 2ab plus b square, and then we got a minus b all square. Now I am going to rewrite this question once again. This x square, first x square minus, in the place of this trinomial we have factorized. This x square I have written here, and in the place of the trinomial I am going to write this factorization. After factorization, what result I got, that is that I am going to write here. Now students, you can see that it is in the form of a square minus b square. So here a square means x square. A square means x square. Therefore a is equal to x. And b square means y minus z square. Therefore b is equal to y minus z. So a and b we have located. This is b and this is a. So here we use the property a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. I think that students, you are understanding this. So first this trinomial we factorized and we got y minus z all square. Then we wrote a square minus b square format, and a and b now we are locating. Then a square means x all square minus b square means y minus z all square is equal to a plus b. A means x and plus b means y minus z. And next a minus b. A means x minus b. B is equal to y minus z. And students, here we want to make some changes. So x plus y minus z is equal to here x minus into plus minus and minus into minus plus. So the final result is x plus y minus z and x minus y plus z. So two questions we have solved like this by using trinomial. First we factorized and then we used the property a square minus b square afterwards. Two questions already solved. One question is remaining. That's a homework for you, just to try.
yourself. Okay.